Hello everybody, it's your boy Chillil, and today I have a flame broiler chicken bowl here. Never tried flame broiler, so this is gonna be good. Hope I don't say the name too much because I'm gonna get it wrong one of these times, but Here's some soy sauce. Very lukewarm, but okay, I guess. And tastes very Hawaiian. Try not to make like an allusion to another place again. So here's what it looks like. Pretty nice. Kind of wish they had like chicken katsu or orange chicken to mix this with. But it's cool. So the rice is so nice too. And here's the lemonade. Overall, I have to give this like an 8.9. Nothing too special, but it is pretty nice. I might recommend it. That'll be my review, and you heard me, my homies.